Tch, stupid gang. I can't believe they all got caught. Whoa! What the heck is this? This is a roadblock. You are under arrest, King. What? I didn't do anything. And if I did, you can't prove it. We have 6 confessions, one from each member of your gang. Oh. Aw, crap.
After all of this, I'm now stuck at jail. My members have been caught, and I don't know where they are. I'm strapped to the wall, and now I can't escape, and wait, I think this guy could help me. Hello, whatever you are, can you help me? Of course. Okay, by the way, what is your name? My name is Metal. Oh wow, Metal, isn't it? Yep, that's my name. Oh, by the way, my name is King. King? That's a royalty name. Yeah, I want to ask you something. What is it? Could you free me out? Why? A few months ago, I got arrested. What? But why? Because, I cannot really remember that much. I'm putting the Southampton Railway out of business. Why? I cannot tell you all of this. Let's just say to get rid of the engines and its rolling stock to turn them into a random piece of scrap. Oh wow, that's a great idea. I can use them to build my new invention so I can destroy all of the railways in Britain, including Ireland of course. Then I can go back to my universe and take over the world. That's a huge, great idea, Metal. Right now, can you free me out so we can start the plan? Yes. By the way, we are stuck in our cells, but I found a way. Seems I am a cyborg. I have good animal sounds. I will scare one of the prison guards, which will jump into weakness, and the keys will fall out. Then I will grab it and unlock the cell doors so we can escape. Oh, there he is. Whoa! There's a monster! I better run out of here. Now, we can escape, but we need to find a way to do it. How about break the wall? That's a brilliant plan. King, break it in my count. 3, 2, 1, break the wall! We finally did it! Oh no, they're onto us. Make a run for it!
Oh, just the usual shunting and maintenance work. Nothing too surprising.
What the? Was that King?
Yes, it was.
Shouldn't he be in car jail?
Well, he should be. Especially after he tried to close our railway.
I guess they released him for some reason.
Maybe he changed his ways of being evil or something.
I doubt that, Bobby. I have a feeling that he's up to something.
Excuse us, we have an important mission and we must deal with it right away.
What the? Who are those three?
I have no idea, but apparently they have an important mission to do. Who knows what that is?
You're right there, Bobby. Well, anyways, King could be up to something, and I'm gonna find out what.